Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Crack the Code. It's kind of a game show, it's more of a prank though. I am the Noog, and we're about to get pranky.
Crack the code. 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 Crack the code! Woo!
Alright, today we have 5 contestants. I gave them each these words and told them to find the hidden meaning and crack the code. What I didn't tell them is they're actually part of my silly little prank. Check it out.
My finked hurl eeks when I sneeze. My sneeze when finked.
Keep going in the right order though.
Oh, my finked hurl leaks when I sneeze. My sphincter leaks when I sneeze. My sphincter leaks when I sneeze. Yeah, it does.
My Sphincter eeks when I sneeze. 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 My Sphincter eeks when I sneeze.
My sphincter eeks when I sneeze. My sphincter eeks when I sneeze. My sphincter eeks when I sneeze. My sphincter eeks when I sneeze. My sphincter leaks when I sneeze.
My sphincter eeks when I sneeze. My sphincter eeks when I sneeze. Do I have to guess what I'm saying?
Yeah.
My sphincter leaks when I sneeze.
So what did you say?
My sphincter leaks when I sneeze. My sphincter leaks when I sneeze.
My Sphincter inks when I sneeze. My Sphincter eeks when I sneeze. I'm trying to get it. Oh, it's hard. My Sphincter eeks when I sneeze. I'm trying to think. Is my Sphincter eeks when I sneeze? Something with sneeze, right?
Yep. You're close.
Shoot, my Sphincter eeks when I sneeze.
Sphincter leaks. That's when I sneeze. My sphincter leaks. My sphincter leaks. My sphincter leaks. My sphincter leaks.
Say the whole thing though.
My sphincter leaks. My sphincter leaks when I sneeze. 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 My sphincter leaks. I can't get my sphincter leaks when I sneeze.
My sphincter eeks when I sneeze. My sphincter eeks when I sneeze. Let's see. My skin leaks. What leaks when I sneeze? My sphincter leaks. My sphincter leaks when I sneeze? That would be it, right?
My Sphincter eeks when I sneeze. My Sphincter eeks when I sneeze. My Sphincter eeks when I sneeze.
My sphincter leaks when I sneeze.
I'm trying to figure that one out, man. That one's hard.
My sphincter leaks when I sneeze. 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 My sphincter leaks. Her leaks. My My sphincter leaks when I sneeze. I don't know. My sphincter leaks when I sneeze. My sphincter leaks when I sneeze. My sphincter leaks. Hurl eeks.
One more time. Whole thing.
My sphincter leaks when I sneeze.
Okay, one more time.
My sphincter leaks when I sneeze.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
My sphincter leaks when I sneeze.
Oh my god, I would have never gotten that. My sphincter leaks. Her leaks. See, that's what it was. Okay, my sphincter. And I should know sphincter.
Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a comment below to let me know who you thought today's winner was, and click the link right there to watch last week's episode. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe.